at the fascial release workshop Saturday, halfway through the day. We just got done with lunch, and what are we getting into now?
So we're going to do some reflexology on the feet, but the secret to this is everybody's going to wear booties. You guys will see that in the video, and we're putting drops of essential oils in the booties, and then it's going to absorb through the physical body. Oh, it's going to be so good. And then we're going to partner up, and someone's going to massage our feet.
Ooh, I'm super excited about that. And you know what? I brought something really special today.
You did?
I brought my Palo Santo essential oil from Galapagos when we went on that yoga retreat together.
Yeah, that one's really good.
So I'm super excited to bring all those good vibes back.
Yeah.
Let's get into it.
Yeah, I think it's a great idea.
We just got wrapped up with our first day of the fascial release training at Hot House Yoga in Ormond Beach, and feeling super, super relaxed. What do you want to share about today?
Oh, it was amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ran this morning, and I was really tight and tense, and I feel so good now. Just totally stretched out, totally relaxed.
Yeah, me too. We started off with yin, and then we ended the day with yin as well, and yoga nidra. It was really cool. At one point, we put these little oil bags with essential oil in them on our feet and massaged each other's feet, learned about some foot reflexology, and I thought that was pretty cool, comparing looking at the picture of the different women who all weighed 154 pounds and how different everybody carries their weight, because we all have different limb lengths and different mannerisms, right? So today we focused on lower body. Tomorrow we're gonna focus on upper body.
Oh, I can't wait for upper body.
Me too. I'm so tight in my shoulders. So we'll get a good night's sleep in and see it tomorrow.